Hello, my name is Hannah and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I will be talking about this used Audi Q3 Black Edition, finished in the modern Mythos Black metallic paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a 1.5 TFSI petrol engine and manual transmission, ideal for those wanting a bigger, more luxury upgrade. Features on this car include 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, with electric folding wing mirrors for that extra protection when you're parked up. Moving on to the reverse camera and parking sensors. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a large space of 530 litres, perfect for those with larger families and travelling long journeys. As you can see, this car has a feature of an electric tailgate, meaning it's a lot more easier to open the boot with your hands full. Moving into the rear seats with a part leather finish for a luxury feel, with a pull down armrest and manual air conditioning accessible in the back. Going into the front, we have a flat bottom steering wheel with S badging, central touch display and front seat part leather trim with S embossed front seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter are also accessible to help you assist on the open roads. Onto the central infotainment system, so there's many various radio stations to keep you entertained for. Car allows you to see the different driving aids and assists you have. Using the phone app allows you to connect your phone to the car on Bluetooth so you can choose what to listen to. Settings allows you to customize the different features to your personal desire. Going back to the main page on the central infotainment system shows how many options you have on your car to go through. Moving on to drive mode allows you to choose what drive select you would like. And onto the manual climate controls found below the central screen, where you can access aircon and heated seats. Moving on to the automatic headlights with manual heated wing mirrors, and below the car has Sonos speakers. Moving on to the central console with 2 charging ports, a large cup holder and storage compartments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.